Pasta carbonara recipes. 12 ounces, 340 grams, spaghetti or fettuccine. 2 large eggs. 1 cup, 100 grams, grated Pecorino Romano cheese, or Parmesan. 4 ounces, 115 grams, Guanciale or Pancetta, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. Freshly ground black pepper. Salt, to taste. Chopped fresh parsley, optional, for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. Reserve about 1 cup of pasta cooking water before draining the pasta. Prepare the sauce. In a bowl, whisk together the eggs and grated cheese. Set aside. Cook the guanciale/pancetta. In a large skillet, cook the diced guanciale or pancetta over medium heat until it's crispy and golden brown. Remove any excess fat, leaving about 2 tablespoons in the pan. Add garlic and pepper. Add the minced garlic to the skillet and saute for about 1 minute until fragrant. Remove the skillet from the heat. Combine pasta and sauce. Add the cooked and drained pasta to the skillet with the guanciale/pancetta and garlic. Toss to coat the pasta with the rendered fat. Temper the eggs. Gradually pour the egg and cheese mixture over the pasta, tossing quickly to combine. The heat of the pasta will cook the eggs gently, creating a creamy sauce. If the mixture seems too dry, you can add a splash of the reserved pasta cooking water to achieve the desired consistency. Season and serve. Season the pasta with freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of salt if needed. Remember that the guanciale/pancetta and cheese are already salty. Toss everything together until the sauce thickens and coats the pasta. Garnish and serve. Serve the pasta carbonara immediately, garnished with chopped fresh parsley if desired. Enjoy. Remember that timing is crucial when making carbonara. You want to toss the pasta with the egg and cheese mixture while it's still hot, but off the heat, to avoid curdling the eggs. Additionally, use high-quality ingredients like authentic Pecorino Romano cheese for the best flavor.